you guys, the living room, dining room, and library are finally finished, and now it is time to decorate. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our farm.
We are Jordan and Tysa Blaylock. For years, we had been dreaming of having our own farm.
And then one day, we bought this old farmhouse today.
It's full of stuff.
We happened upon this gorgeous 1920 craftsman style farmhouse on 12.5 acres. And we bought it, as is, full of stuff and in need of lots of love. So we packed up our kids, we sold our house, and we moved out to one of the barns in a little vintage travel trailer.
While we restore, renovate, and add on to this beautiful old home.
Well, you guys, we've done it. We've transformed the downstairs of our 1920 farmhouse. Are you ready to see how it turned out?
Oh man, is it good.
This light fixture is original to our 1920 farmhouse, and it is very special for that reason, but also because the daughter of the original owner gifted this to us when we signed on this house.
I am going to be installing this light fixture right here above our entry. Luckily, I found these missing pieces to the fixture, and I will be reinstalling it right here in our entry.
Well guys, I wanted to introduce you to my nephew, Christopher. He's been staying with us this summer and helping us out with projects around the house and the farm, and he's been a lot of fun. You'll be seeing him in quite a few of our videos, so this is Christopher.
Hey everybody, glad to be here, excited to make some new videos, excited for everyone to see all the progress around the farmstead, and yeah.
Chris and I were able to salvage this big, beautiful beam from an old barn. In order to mount the beam, I notched the underside out and placed it on top of the existing mantle. After studying many designs for corbels and mantles, I like this one best.
Okay, it's move-in day. We're bringing stuff into the living room.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to see how it turns out.
I found this beautiful farmhouse table on the Facebook Marketplace for $175, which was a great deal. It originally had a dark brown stain that had kind of yellowed with age, so I stripped and sanded it down to the raw wood. I love the details of the legs, and it fits perfectly in this dining room.
To put the finishing touches on the library, I custom built this bar and bookshelf from an old barn beam.
So when we're designing a space, I love to look for things that you wouldn't find at an ordinary big box store. So I like to search Etsy, I like to go thrift store shopping, and I also like to incorporate some things that we've had forever. So I'm gonna take you on a tour of our space and show you how we put it all together. So when we were on the hunt for bar stools for this area, we came across these beautiful Barstools from HBCYCreations.com, and I love that they are adjustable in height because the kids love to use this space also. They're solid metal construction and have a beautiful rustic wood top, and they're just so perfect for this spot.
HBCYCreations.com is a wonderful one-stop shop for rustic and farmhouse home decor. They have good prices, good quality, and great service. They are a small family-owned business, and I will leave a link below with a 15% off coupon code for you to shop. We used a lot of fun vintage items in our library, things that we found at garage sales and thrift stores, including a giant mid-century light-up globe. One piece I really love in this room is the watercolor Eucalyptus art print. This print is made by EHCompany on Etsy.
I found some really beautiful handmade, hand-painted plant pots on Etsy by the shop called Luna Reese. And I love how simple and sweet those are. And the plant, the Camellia plant, is from Montesano on Etsy as well. And I think that they just go so perfect together.
Our vintage record player is a treasured hand-me-down from my grandparents. And this beautiful sign is made by HomeSweetDesignCo on Etsy. Our dining room is decorated very simply with a farmhouse table, mismatched chairs, my grandmother's hutch, an old dresser mirror, and a small table.
So you'll notice that we have quite a few houseplants around our home, and we live in Washington State, so like 9 months out of the year our weather is very dreary and gray, and we found that including some greenery just brings life into our space. So 36vine.com is a wonderful website where you can go and order these plants, and they come to you very well packed in a box, and that's where most of our plants came from.
This beautiful Moroccan Pompom blanket is from a shop called BerBerBlanket on Etsy.
So these pillows are also from Etsy. They're by ThePerfectCraftMan, and I loved these because they have a subtle design to them. They're a nice soft tufted material, and they match our couch and our other accent details in the space.
This ladder was actually a curb find, and it fits perfectly over here to hold our couch blankets.
So this couch is actually from Goodwill, and we found it for $60. It was in excellent condition, and I just loved the shape and unique design of the couch. It's a vintage velvet, and I just thought it was perfect for this small living room. One of our favorite items that we found on Etsy is this beautiful vintage inspired sign by Toefish Art. It is so well made that it actually does look like an authentic metal sign, and we just love how the colors match our living room space and that it's not something you would find in a regular store. So it's unique and beautiful, and we just love it. So one of the most eye-catching pieces in our living room is this wicker egg chair from Target. This is actually a housewarming gift from my mom, and we all just really love this. It's big, it's comfortable, me and the kids can fit in here, but Missy has claimed it for her own. You like that chair? Our beautiful crocheted coasters and leaf window hanging is by Katie's Artsy Heart on Etsy. If you guys liked any of the items that I showed you today, I will leave a link in the description along with some coupon codes where you can go to purchase.
Yes, we're gonna tackle the stairs next.
Well guys, what do you think?
We are able to incorporate a lot of the original elements and a ton of our own.
I think we added a lot of character to the space while still keeping that farmhouse charm.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to follow us along on the rest of our renovations.
And please leave a comment below and let us know what you think. We'll see you next time.